Good evening, everyone. Based on the verdict by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Srinagar Bench and SW Service Law President, here are detailed blog-style analysis regarding the impermissibility of covering excess salary from retired employees. Today, we will deep dive into it. Part 4. 3 parts has already been discussed. You can see in the previous blogs. Beyond I&FC, recent CAT Srinagar rulings protecting pension right, the April 2026 verdict of Srinagar bench of CAT is not an isolated incident. It signifies a broader, highly encouraging judicial, the financial burden of error that made by government department cannot be transferred to innocent retiree. The core principle being cemented by the tribunal is one of the institutional accountability when errors occur in pay fixation or benefit disbursement. The responsibility rests squarely with the bureaucracy, specifically the sanctioning authority, drawing and disbursing officer DDO we call generally. The decisions collectively emphasizes that the fault lies in institutional lapses. These lapses and thus the consequences must be borne by the institution, not the employee. So this protective trend is evident across multiple government sectors. Rural development, in the case of Habibullah Yatu, the tribunal intervened decisively. It ruled against recovery of excess amount arising from in-situ promotions granted by mistakes. Further, the tribunal ordered the immediate release of rupees 4,10,000 in withheld gratuity, affirming that post-retirement recovery is unjustified when the initial error was administrative. School education, a similar protective stance was taken in the matter of Syed Abdul Rauf. The CAT quests the recovery of a charge allowance. This excess payment was found to have arisen from the employer's misinterpretations of relevant rules rather than any act of employee fraud, making the recovery a case involving Abdul Majid Kullu. The ruling restricted any potential recovery and mandated the release of unpaid benefit that were due under SRO 59 of 1990. The progressive judgment taken together ensure that retirees who have dedicated their lives to public service are not penalized for institutional mistakes. They send a powerful message. The administrative machinery must fulfill its responsibility for accurate pay fixation, and the financial burden of its lapses should not fall on those leaving the services. When error occurs, the financial burden of institutional lapses should not fall on innocent retiree. Hope you have now got clarity on this matter. In case of any difference or any opinion change on the views, let us know for further discussion and clarity. Thank you.